In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Chime account as your main bank. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is open a Chime account. Simply go ahead and click on Get Started if you haven't already. As you can see, once you simply go ahead and create your account, you want to set up a direct deposit. So your Chime routing number and account numbers will be shown right over here when you go ahead and set up your direct deposit. What you want to do is simply go ahead and click on Move Money, and inside of Move Money, you can simply go ahead and make Chime your primary bank. And once you go ahead and do so, you can simply go ahead and set up bill pay and auto pay just like that. And then you can actually also use your Chime Visa debit card for everything. You can also build your credit with Credit Builder, and you can also save automatically with roundups and enjoy fee-free banking. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.